Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Pipedrive data import from CSV, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your Pipedrive account and log in. On the main dashboard, navigate to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on Data Import in the left panel. Click on the Import Data button to start the process. You will be presented with different options for importing data. Select Import from CSV as your chosen method. Now, you will need to prepare your CSV file for the Ensure your CSV file is formatted correctly and includes all necessary fields. Common fields include name, email, phone number, and any custom fields you have in Pipedrive. Once your CSV file is ready, click on Choose File. Locate your CSV file on your device and select. After selecting the file, click on Next. Pipedrive will now analyze your CSV data. Review the columns that Pipedrive identifies. Make sure each column corresponds to the correct Pipedrive field. If any columns are mismatched, you can manually select the correct fields. Once you've mapped all columns correctly, click on Import. Pipedrive will begin the import process. You'll see a progress bar indicating the import status. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation message. You can now check your Pipedrive account for the newly imported data. Review the imported records to ensure everything is in order. If you encounter any issues, refer back to your CSV for corrections. You are now ready to utilize your imported data effectively in Pipedrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.